Morning, my dear students. Do you remember our chapter? Yes. Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. In the last class, we have discussed two topics, that is International System of Numeration and Indian System of Numeration. I think that all of you got the idea well and all of you understood the concept. Okay. I have said you to do the homework. Do you remember? That was exercise 1.1. There are 4 questions. The first question, there is 5 sub questions. Okay. So let's see what is the first answer. 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000. In 1 lakh, how many zeros are there? Yes, 5 zeros. 10,000, 4 zeros only. So to get both sides equal, LHS equal to RHS, left hand side should be equal to right hand side, that is LHS and RHS. To get both equal, what we have to do? 1 lakh 5, I have said you 1 lakh, there are 5 zeros. In 10,000, 4 zeros, one more zero needed. The number with 1 zero is 10. So the answer is 1 lakh equal to 10,000. 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. Okay. Similarly, you just do the remaining all using this concept. Find out how many zeros are there, how many zeros we have to add, like that, then you will get the answer. Second question, what is place commas correctly and write the numerals. You see, the words, the number is given, you have to write in numerals. Third one, insert commas and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Fourth one, international. See the answers. I'm very sure that all of you have done. Please check it. Open your notebook and check the same answer you got. The first, all are 10. Second question, you written the same numerals. With that wordings, you written that. If you got mistake, no problem, correct it. And study now itself. Understood? Okay. Let's move to third. What is third one? Insert commas in the system and you read. How to read? Is it first number 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Check the spelling also. First you check that commas. After that your spelling. How did you write in? 85. Second one 85 lakh 46,283. Third one 9 crore 90 lakh 46. Sorry, 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Next one 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Fourth one is in international system. Is it? The difference I think you understood. In Indian system how to put commas and international system how to put commas, how to read in different ways. That is very important. In international system we are using million, thousand and okay 78,921,092. See your notebook, the same you have written. Second one 7,452,283. Next one 99,985,102. Next 48,049,831. Okay, good. So our topic is Roman numerals. All of you write the heading Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Okay, listen. In our school, in front of your classroom, how the class is written, do you remember? 1, 2, 3, your class Is it 5, 6 and all? How it is written? 6th A, 6th B. Do you remember that? Or your last year 5th A, 5th B, 5th C and all? Yeah. That notation is called Roman numerals. In our clock, in most of the clocks, the Roman numerals is written. You see here the clock, you can read 1, 2, 3 and all the remaining. Anyway, in the clock, there will be the numbers up to 12. So, today we are going to discuss how to write the numbers in Roman numerals. Very easy. First of all, let me tell this concept is very easy. Okay. First one, 1. 1 is represented by I. If there are two i's, that will be 2. That means 2 is 1 plus 1. 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. There will be 3 i's. 4 is what? IV. Because there are some rules. That is why you cannot write 4 is 4i. After this, I'll explain the rules. What are the laws? Is it? So you just by heart 4 is IV. 4 is IV. 5 V. 6 5 plus 1 VI. 7 5 plus 2 VII. 8 is 5 plus 3. 3 you can write 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's why I written there. 8 is equal to 5 plus 3 VIII. Similarly 9 is IX. 10 is X. 11 is 10 plus 1. 12 10 plus 2. Here IV and IX. Why writing IV and IX? I am going to explain. 13, 14, 15, 16, that all very easy. 13 is 10 plus 3, 14, 10 plus 4. No problem. 15, 10 plus 5, 16, 10 plus 6, 17, 10 plus, is it? 10 plus 7, 18, 10 plus 8, 19, 10 plus 9, 20, 10 plus 10. Okay. Don't worry about it. First, let me see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Second column is Roman numeral I, 2I, 3I, 1I and 1V. Okay. So draw the column in your notebook. Draw the 3 columns like this. One, two, three, four. Second I, that 1I, 1. 2, 2I, 1 plus 1. 3, 3I, 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4IV, 5 minus 1. That all you write. Next. Okay. 9ix, 10x, 11xi, 12xii. 13, 14, 15, 16. Next one. In some cases, you can see subtraction. Minus you can see. Don't worry, I'll explain. Okay, up to 20, I think you have completed. Close your book. Then see here. Okay, what we were studying, how to write the numbers in Roman numerals. In very rare case or in some cases, you were subtracting. In all other cases, you just added. That is, to write the Roman numerals, we have to follow some rules. By using the rule, in some cases it is subtracted, but in other cases it is added. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all you just written now. I think you understood. Up to 10 it is very easy. The one only the problem with 4, IV. Why it is IV? So other than that, LCDM, that also you have to study. L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. So there is an easy method to remember. IVXLCDM. The rule is IVXLCDM. IVXLCDM. Just by heart now itself. IVXLCDM. That is 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. If you are remembering like this, it will be very easy to write. For your exam, you will get that easy technique. IVXLCDM. Okay. So I have said you there are some rules. That is, first rule is, if a symbol is repeated, it will be added. First rule is, if a symbol is repeated, it will be added. In the case of 20, x, the same number repeated, that is why 10 plus 10 you got. If a number is repeated, it will be added. Second rule is telling that no number is repeated more than 3 times. You can repeat the number maximum 3 times, not more than 3. No number is repeated more than 3 times. Similarly, the number like VLD never be repeated. That also the second law. VLD, we can use VLD only once, not repetition. No repetition. You cannot repeat. Next rule is, that is I said you IV. Why IV is for? That is, whenever you are writing, the greater number should be in the left. The left side, greater number. Then if you are writing the greater number on the left, you just add. For example, 6. 6 is 5 plus 1. 5 is greater than 1. V. 5 is V. Then I. 5 plus 1. 6 is 5 plus 1. 7 is 5 plus 2. But in the case of 4, IV, that means maximum 3 times we can repeat I. So 4 times we cannot. So 4 we cannot write 4 I's. 4 is 5 minus 1 only. What is 4? 5 minus 1. You see that? 4 is 5 minus 1. But here, if you are writing 5 first and 1, it will be added. We will get only 6. In that cases, the smaller number first. You write the smaller number first, then greater number. Then it will be subtracted. IV. I is 1, V is 5. Smaller number left side. So 5 minus 1. The rule is, if the greater number is on left side, you just add. If the smaller number is on left side, you just subtract. Smaller number subtraction, greater number addition. That only the thing you have to remember. Next rule is telling that IV. Just as discussed, IV is I is smaller than V. That is why that is subtracted. IX. I means 1. X is 10. That also subtracted. XL. X50. Sorry, X10. L50. X is smaller. That is why that also subtracted. XC. X 10, C 100. That is why that also subtracted, then you will get 90. Then the last rule is VL and D are never be written to the left of the symbol. That is VLD are never subtracted. If it is on the left side, if it is smaller side, we have to subtract. But we, in the case of VLD, we cannot subtract. Whenever you are writing VL and D, it should be added. VL and D never be subtracted. Then I is only subtracted from V and X. I is only subtracted from V and X. Then X can be subtracted from L, M and C. That all are the rules. You see, what are the rules? First rule what you can say that if a symbol is repeated, it will be added. In our own sentence, we can write if a symbol is repeated, that value is added. Second is symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Third we can write like this. That is, if greater value on left side, it will be added. If smaller value on left side, it will be subtracted. Next rule is VLD never be subtracted. I can be subtracted from only V and X. X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Okay. So, once more, let's recall all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 20 you written. 30 you see, 3 times you can use because 3 times is possible. 40 is what? How can you write 40? 40 is 50 minus 10. 10 is X, L is 50 because X is smaller than L, that is why subtracted. 50L written. 60 is 50 plus 10. 70, 50 plus 20. 80, 50 plus 30. 90 is what? 100 minus 10. If you are subtracting, surely smaller value will be on left side. 100 is C. Okay, see the example. Write in Roman numerals. 69. How can you write 60 plus 9? No doubt 60 is greater than 9. How can you write 60? 50 plus 10. LX plus IX. Okay, so 69 you got it. Then next 98. How can you write 98? 90 plus 8. How will you write 90? 10 minus 10. 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10, how can you write? XC plus 8. So the number XCVIII. Is it interesting, children? Or easy? Yes. If you got the trick, it is very easy. Any number you can write in Roman numerals. Okay. So just write the notes. Then below that you write up to 20 you have written. Below that you write the same you write note. N-O-T-E, note. N-O-T-E, note. Underline and write IVXLCDM. I a gap, V then gap, XLCDM. Below that 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. IVXLCDM. The easy trick to remember that IVXLCDM 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. 50, 100, 500, 1000. Okay, below that you write rules. Then write first one. Rules you underline and first one. The same you don't want to copy, we can write in very simple sentence. Okay, first one. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added. Second, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Next one. If the greater value on left side, it will be added. And smaller value on left side, it will be subtracted. Smaller value on left side, it will be subtracted. Okay. Below that you write. This 4 you write IV equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. IV equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Ix equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Ix equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. XL equal to 50 minus 10 equal to 40. XL equal to 50 minus 10 equal to 40. XC equal to 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Why it is subtracting, I already said you. Do you remember, children? If the smaller value on left side, it will be subtracted. That is the only law you have to understand. Okay. Next point you write. V, L and D are never subtracted. 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 Next, the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. Next, the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Okay, these are the laws. While using Roman numerals, be very careful. The laws are important, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay. So, this all you understood that. Once more you need means you just go through all this. Nothing. You just add if the greater number on left side. If it is a smaller value on left side, just subtract. Using this, you can make any numbers as Roman numerals. So, see an example. Write in Roman numeral. 69. You all know that 69 is 60 plus 9. 60 is 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10 means 50 you write first, then 10. That is LX plus IX. So the number is LXIX. Got it now? Very interesting. Okay. One more example. 98. 98 is 90 plus 8. But here the problem 90 we cannot write. 90 is 100 minus 10. We cannot write means by adding. While adding we won't get 90. That is why 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10. 10 is smaller than 100. In that cases you have to subtract. Plus 8. Okay. So write these two examples in your notebook. Write in Roman numerals. Write in Roman numerals. $69. Okay. Then this. Finished. So I hope that all of you understood the concept well. Some laws you have to use, that is only important here. So let me give some examples. Sorry, not examples, some questions. Try yourself. 78, 93, 125, 150. These four numbers you write now. 78, 70 plus 8, 93, 90 plus 3, isn't it? 125, how can you write? 100 plus 25, 100 plus 50, like that, so on. Okay, try well and send. And I think that all of you were listening the class and you understood well. Anyway, thank you. Okay, we can see later. Okay, bye.